కె సంతోష్ కుమార్, ప్రెసిడెంట్ తెలంగాణ క్యారమ్ అసోసియేషన్. ఈరోజు 50 సంవత్సరాలు పూర్తి చేసుకున్న సందర్భంగా మా తెలంగాణ క్యారమ్ అసోసియేషన్ ఈరోజు గోల్డెన్ జూబ్లీ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ ఇక్కడ మేము కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఈ గోల్డెన్ జూబ్లీ దానికి పురస్కరించుకొని ఇంటర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ టోర్నమెంట్, వెటరన్ టోర్నమెంట్ ఒకటి 4 రోజుల టోర్నమెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 3 రోజులు అయిపోయింది. ఇది ఇన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ టోర్నమెంట్ పిఎస్పిబి టీమ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ కొట్టింది ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఈరోజు సాయంత్రము మా పాస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు ఆయన బీకే హర్నాథ్ గారికి ఒక సన్మానం కార్యక్రమం కూడా కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈరోజు నుంచి ఈ టోర్నమెంట్ నుంచి వచ్చే టోర్నమెంట్ వరకు మేము గోల్డెన్ జూబ్లీ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ కండక్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఈ ఎంటైర్ టోర్నమెంట్కి యూనియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా, ఐఓసిఎల్, ఇండియన్ ఆయిల్ కార్పొరేషన్ వాళ్ళిద్దరు కూడాను టైటిల్ స్పాన్సర్గా, కో స్పాన్సర్గా సహకరిస్తున్నారు మాకు. దాంతోపాటు నవభారతి గ్లోబల్ స్కూల్ కూడా ఈ వెన్యూని ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళ తోడ్పాటు చేసినందుకు వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్ యూ.
తెలంగాణ has been established in 1972 by Sri B.K. Harnath, the founder president. Santosh Garu, Sridevi Madam, to beckon Sri B.K. Harnath Garu. Big round of applause.
ఎంత కష్టం సార్ మిమ్మల్ని ఆపాలంటే కంట్రోల్ చూడండి. నాడు పట్టుకోండి అర్జున్ గారు,
सोच ही नहीं सकते, बैकबोन जिसे कह सकते हैं.
Coming to a dash. And Aditya and Dinesh Babu, our few matches are going on as veterans. Thank you, Narayan sir. Now may I request the Secretary of All India Carrom Federation, Bharti Narayan ji, to come on to the dais. Really a great honor to have you here, madam. Thank you very much. Very much pleased to have one more important person of Carrom, President of Carrom Association of Telangana, Sri D.J. Sharma Garu. Please come on. Inter-institutional Carrom Tournament of and All India Veteran Nationals, Ram Prasad Garu, AGM, Union Bank of India, to kindly come out of this. Big round of applause.
कार्य की शुरुआत मंगलमय वातावरण में ज्योति प्रज्वलन के साथ हम करते हैं. तो मंच पर उपस्थित सभी ने कितने हार्ड वर्क, मेहनत और प्रयत्न के साथ ये एसोसिएशन बनाए हैं. इसमें जो दिग्गज हैं उन्होंने अपने जीवन के कई महत्वपूर्ण साल बिताए हैं. उन्होंने उन सभी की कोशिश की संकल्पना की 50 साल स्वर्ण जयंती. प्लीज जोरदार तालियां. शुभारंभ स्वर्ण जयंती. दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः, दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म, दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः. दीपो हरतु मे पापं, सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम्, आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम्, आरोग्यं
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि
Now, we will request for
Golden Jubilee celebrations of Carom Association of Telangana start.
धन्यवाद सर। शायद आप सभी का इंतजार करते करते गैस भी उसकी कम हो गई है, वो ज़्यादा उड़ ही नहीं पा रहे।
Celebrations. On this occasion, I take pride to wish B.K. Harnath garu, V.D. Narayan garu, Bharat Narayan garu, Dr. Neeraj Sampati garu, T. Ramprasad garu, AGM, Union Bank, and Shubhan Raju and Praveen Kumar, and other guests on the dais. I welcome all the participants, players of various institutions, veteran players, AICF and ICF officials to this function. So the journey of the cat, I am the not right person to describe. Our legend is there, he will talk about how the journey of the cat is there for the last 50 years. So I'll just talk about a little about our beloved past president, Harnath sir. He led a Carom organization for impressive 52 years with a dedication to serving society, focused on community, well-being and growth, prioritizing the collective success over the personal gain, created employment opportunities positively impacting the lives of many, promoted the game of Carom while fostering sense of purpose and stability among the players, sacrificed personal career advancement for the success of the organization and its people. So welcome to all of CAT who brought the laurels to the Carom Association of Telangana. To mention the achievements of various wins in national events, our Senior Vice President will talk about it. And thank you all participants, guests, who are making this event very graceful and grand. Thank you all.
and at the same time he maintained very good relations with various people. Whoever he has, when he observed some potential in him, he brought it to the Carom and he got benefited through him to the Carom. That is the reason today we are proud to say Carom Association of Telangana, now it is known, but formerly Hyderabad Carom Association had many sports securities and we have seen few of them carrying the collective. So that is the effect of a good leadership. Today, though Anna Sahib has just not active in Hyderabad Carom Association of Telangana, he made a very strong team. And the team is so strong that there are occasions where government of Andhra Pradesh formerly used to call him and take the service of our team. We are proud to say we have been associated under his guidance at Asian Games, African Games, military games. So many games our team used to go and work. Not for Carom but for other games also. So that is the strength of Carom. And the basic core importance of the Carom Association of Telangana is that no one in our body is a non-player. Everybody is a player. Everybody knows the Carom and everybody is a good player. That is the best part of our Carom Association of Telangana. That's just that information I want to supplement.
He is basically from Telangana, now representing PSPB. He is India number 1. And I would like to congratulate a new product, S. Aditya. He is number 3. So all credit goes to Carom Association of Telangana. I once again congratulate all the members of Carom Association of Telangana.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveenji. To all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, all the players, the growth of this association and the game of Carom. Congratulations to you all on this momentous occasion. To me, when we talk about the Carom Association of Telangana or the earlier Hyderabad Carom Association, the two names which come to my mind are Harnath sir and Madan Rajji. A lot of love and care for the people around him, for his family, for his friends, for his well-wishers. There are very few gentlemen of this nature in the world today. And I have to add one more thing. I think he is perhaps one of the most misunderstood people in the world of Carom. He has braved many odds and he has dedicated his life to Carom. So I sometimes think if any of us can carry things along for so long as he has done, just think about it. After you retire as a player, as an administrator for the association, and even beyond that here, thank you, Santosh, for giving us this wonderful opportunity, and thank you for hosting this event. I wish you all the best and lots of luck and good wishes as you strive to take the association forward. Thank you.
Runners and an international player. We had a very veteran player, I don't know how many will remember it, Aarti Joban Putra, hat-trick national title women winner. Hat-trick national title winner. R.D. Dinesh Babu, national winner. Big round of applause. And we have women players.
Sports and games and other extracurricular activities also. So it is our social responsibility. Doing banking is the part of our job, but taking care of the nation and citizens of this country is also our part of job. That's why we have sponsored this mega event, and we are also happy that getting the opportunity to sponsor this event. So this is my few words, and I congratulate all the national winners and international winners, and have a fun and game also. Not only sports spirit, but also have a celebrations. So that is the importance of this Carom, and let us make it a habit of all the households to have this game along with your family members. That is the only place where you can get together. So total gathering will be there. So that is the good place. So this Carom gives that message as family atmosphere, family bonding and family relationship nowadays. It is going far away, and we have to again bring back under this Carom board a get together always. Thank you all.
The school needs some urgent funds, around 1 crore. So I looked at bank, and they made me to meet at night 10 o'clock with the AGM. And they sanctioned in next day. So that's how actually the building started now. Like we are stabilized because of Union Bank. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your cooperation from a decade onwards. Thank you.
मंच पर मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ श्री हरनाथ जी को। उन्हें हम अपने आप को सौभाग्यशाली समझते हैं कि इतने महान व्यक्तित्व हमारे इस प्रांगण में अभी मौजूद हैं और हम उस कार्यक्रम को देख पा रहे हैं। मैं वहाँ उपस्थित सभी मान्यवरों को सम्मानित करें श्री हरनाथ जी को। यह जश्न है जश्न होने का। व्यक्तिगत तौर पर नीचे हरनाथ भारतीय जीवन बीमा निगम में शामिल है। प्रारंभ के प्रति उसका प्यार उनके खून में है और वे हमेशा LIC के शीर्ष 2 पदों पर रहे। के खेल की मदद करने के लिए वे हैदराबाद में रह रहे हैं। उन्होंने LIC में कोई पदोन्नति नहीं ली और क्लर्क के पद पर बने रहे और सेवानिवृत्त हो गए। हम कैरम के खेल की आपके द्वारा किए गए महान योगदान के लिए सलामी देते हैं। हम आपके स्वस्थ खुशहाल जीवन की कामना करते हैं। उन्होंने तेलंगाना कैरम एसोसिएशन में राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय चैंपियन तैयार किए हैं। क्या जाता है जो बहुत ही मानक है। कई खिलाड़ी हैं जिनमें हैदराबाद कैरम एसोसिएशन के खिलाड़ियों ने हिस्सा लिया, जैसे मोहम्मद निसार, रविंदर गौर, दिनेश बाबू, निर्मला, अपूर्वा जैसे अनगिनत नाम हैं। इस सभी कैरम खेल को सम्मान और मान्यता इन्होंने दिलाई। विभिन्न संगठनों में राज्य और राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर शामिल हुआ। अनेक कैरम खिलाड़ियों को उन्हें आजीविका और जॉब दिलवाई। इसके संस्थापक और इसके लिए लंबे समय तक काम करने वाले श्रीमान V.K. हरनाथ जी ने संयुक्त आंध्र प्रदेश के जिलों में घूम घूम कर साइकिल से हैदराबाद में विभिन्न संगठनों, क्लबों और संस्थाओं से संबंध बनाए और उन्हें हैदराबाद कैरम एसोसिएशन का हिस्सा बनाया। उन्होंने हैदराबाद शामिल किया। बहुत ही छोटे स्तर और हैदराबाद कैरम एसोसिएशन तेलंगाना राज्य के खेल के कल्याण के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और यह निजामाबाद के लिए बहुत ही सम्मानपूर्वक अभिमान की बात है कि ऐसे व्यक्तित्व हमारे निजामाबाद के प्रांगण में है और इस कार्यक्रम को हम देख पा रहे हैं। उम्र की सीमा नहीं होती है। खेलना एक सबसे बड़ा पैशन होता है। यह इनको देखकर ही आप समझ सकते हो और सबसे अभिनंदनीय।
Raj, General Secretary of Other is out of country. He'll be back next month. Mr. T.V. Sudhakar, our Executive President, who have made it happen, he is not here. I request Mr. Praveen Kumar to take it on his behalf. In charge of All India Carrom Federation, Convener Media Committee, All India Carrom Federation, Mr. T. Praveen Kumar. This wonderful event over here in Navya Bharati Global School
ఆయన అన్నగా నేను ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. మేము మామూలుగా సుబ్బు అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాం. పూర్తి పేరు చెప్తాను. సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు, వివి సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు, వేర్ ఎవర్ you are coming to the dash. As simple as that.
సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు క్లాప్స్ కొట్టండి అందరూ.
As a member of Karam family, you are being invited. If you are not coming, we will be forced to come to you. Which will be a better scene?
మిస్టర్ రాజేంద్రన్ జీ గారు, రాజేంద్ర గారు చప్పట్లు కొట్టండి గట్టిగా. ఇంకా ఎక్కువ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఇస్తే ఇంకా పెద్ద సెలబ్రేషన్ చేయాలని కోరుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ రాజేంద్ర. యూ వాంట్ టు స్పీక్? తర్వాత ఉంది. ఓకే. నౌ మిస్టర్ శోభన్ రాజ్.
ఓడిపోవటం కూడా గొప్పేనా అని మీరు అడగచ్చు. అవును, గొప్పే. 4 వరల్డ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్లో ఫైనల్స్కి వచ్చినటువంటి ప్లేయర్ నిర్మల, అది మనం ఎట్లా మర్చిపోతాం? ఇందాక నుంచి ఎంతోమంది రన్నర్స్ అప్ ఇచ్చాం, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్కి వచ్చారని. బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. వీ షుడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్, రియలైజ్, కంగ్రాచులేట్.
It's always a privilege to be a player and to be among the organizers who bring.
So these are the things which should not go unnoticed unless said in an open meeting like this. Thank you.
Sir, Prime Minister. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, national runner.
She was the national runner in 1992.
Anil Kumar.
నాయుడు ఇటు చూడు. ఓకే సార్.
Anil Kumar.
అనిల్కి ఇచ్చేయండి.
Anil will receive on behalf of PS Uday Kumar. We have a strong office bearer by name again Anil.
Today I am happy for so many reasons, not for myself. As I sat there, the International Federation Secretary was sitting to my left and All India Carom Federation Secretary to my right. Nothing great about it, except that all the 3 of us are from LIC. Why I am speaking so much of LIC? I am disappointed at the claps. Is there any banner in India? Is there any banner which is not exhibited in India for any major tournament of LIC? You will find LIC banner, LIC logo everywhere. Am I right, sir? Another significance as far as Telangana is concerned, LIC is the founder of Telangana Carom Association. No claps? No other institution in India has taken its birth with the help and directly by an institution. This way, LIC stands first for us particularly. LIC has done many things. There was one Mr. Dhakaras. There is one Mr. Masilamani. Both of them have put notes to chairman. It was stuck up. I went to central office, met Mr. Dakaras. You can ask why. Not for my promotion. I joined as an assistant, served as an assistant for 37 years and happily retired. I was persisting along with others that Life Insurance Corporation of India should become institution member of All India Carom. I will say your federation is yet to get the affiliation, recognition from ministry. You do any event, you take players abroad, but my suggestion is you give priority to getting recognition of the ministry to your All India Carom Federation, to our All India Carom Federation. Felicitations follow. You give the results, you get the felicitations. But having spent, somebody said, sacrifice. I have not made any sacrifice. I am the most selfish person out of the Carom community. Every step I took forward, I achieved something for Carom. The first ever Carom coaching center in India was opened in Lal Bahadur Stadium. Please note it. This credit goes to Telangana. Our Vice President, Senior Vice President, Praveen Kumar was telling, to a certain extent, 32nd National Games, Afro-Asian Games, World Military Games, first Carom, first Hockey Premier League, first Karate Championship. This is not the list. For all these events, Carom officials were there assisting them as media committee members, media committee conveners. Tell me if it has happened anywhere in India, in any state in India. You can ask, one of our friends was telling, चलो जो भी नाम मिला, जो भी इज्जत मिला, अरना साहब आपको मिला, नहीं. I am identified with Carom, and it is the Carom that earned status. Once we are projecting ourselves, our institution, our officials, wherever we go, we can succeed. Lot many things we want for Carom. Municipal Corporation of Hyderabad nominates 20-30 players as coaches for summer coaching camps. That happened because of our relationship. And we have felicitated A. Narasimha Rao, advocate. Friends, his academy players, he is running an academy silently. He has not taken a rupee from anybody, nor asked for it. 50% of the sub-juniors team is from his academy. Our past Federation Secretary and present International Secretary raised this subject when we were sitting. Yes, how do we do it? Funds, place, material. Mr. Narasimha Rao gave the answer. He has not asked for any rupee from anybody, just kept 4 boards, permitted poor players who cannot pay 5 rupees membership also, and coaching was given to them. I will be committing a grave mistake. K. Srinivas came and gave the coaching there. Sivanand Reddy came and gave coaching there. And our national international champion Ravindra Gaud came and gave the coaching there. Uday Kumar of AG's office gave and coaching there. V. Anil Kumar, who collected 2-3 prizes. All top players of India who were at Hyderabad, they came all by themselves, gave free coaching to them. Today we have number of young players of 12 to 16 years from that academy. What is the relevance? आप पूछ सकते हम प्लेयर्स हैं, चैंपियंस हैं, अच्छा नौकरी मिल गया.
Motivating speech and your guidance to the players, and from one of our senior player, K. Srinivas would like to about the association activities, how Carom is doing and what Carom has done to you. Continuous champion from PSP.
Good evening, friends. When I was junior and team going to participate in Chennai Senior Nationals, and I was not in the team, but Telangana state officials gave my coaches, family, friends and teammates for their support and guidance, encouragement in reaching such heights. Their dedication and belief in the journey deserves since appreciation. Thank you for this opportunity.
Dignitaries on the dais, officials, umpires, players, ladies and gentlemen. Speaking at the end of the function has a great advantage. I can say simply, I join each one of you in and with join with sharing the thoughts you have expressed about Mr. B.K. Harnath, his contribution for the game of Carom, and everything that Carom Association of Telangana, formerly Hyderabad Carom Association. I also join everyone in wishing each one of you, the players, officials, administrators, who have contributed during last 52 years for the growth of Carom in this state, Hyderabad / Telangana now. Mostly people have talked about Mr. Harnath's contribution in Carom Association of Telangana, but on behalf of International Carom Federation, I would also like to thank him for his contribution at international level, because he held several positions at international level also. So he has a multi-talented personality, and he has done a lot for Carom. I also joined Mr. Harnath when he asked Carom players to give back to the society which society gave me. That is a message from a senior person, and it means a lot. Whatever we are doing on the foundation led by these people, and they have done their job to the best of their ability. We can think of the hard days when the Carom would have started way back in 1956 in India. I was told that only 6 state Carom associations were there, or maybe 7. And from there, 56 to 2044 plus 24, that is something around 78 years journey of All India Carom Federation. And I believe people, those who have taken up the challenge to start Carom activities in 1956, most of us were not born even, except few people like Mr. Harnath. This is a very good tradition created by Carom Association of Telangana, and I congratulate Mr. K. Santosh Kumarji, under whose dynamic leadership this All India Institution Carom Championship and Veteran National Carom Championship is being organized, and you are celebrating the 52 years, that is the Golden Jubilee year of Carom Association of Telangana. The major part was, it was called as Hyderabad Carom Association. So may I request each one of you to give a huge round of applause to this team of Carom Association of Telangana, who is giving a very, I would say, emotional felicitation to Mr. Harnath. I don't think Mr. Harnath will ever forget this day of 25th May in his lifetime. It is impossible, I heard, if I have heard correctly. So, this is a lesson for all of us also, that how we should treat our elders. Maybe he's your elder peers. I can see that now very, very young players, 16, 17.
I'll start with my career where I started my carom game, 1985. And very few people know this, that my mentor is Harnath sir. In the afternoons I used to go there and play up to in the evening. That's how I started my career. Then I got my job, I got settled in my career. On and on it was going. And right now in front of you. And thank you very much, Harnath sir. Please bless me. I'll try to do what you said. Good. Okay. Thank you one and all.
8 years from now, which is not far away, we will be completing 60 years and entering into the Diamond Jubilee. We need to celebrate that function also in a more grand way. Till such time, let us wish that Mr. Harnath will lead a very healthy and quality